In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move items to another board in Monday.com. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account to follow along smoothly. If this is your first time, simply head over to the Monday.com website and click Login at the upper right corner of your screen. You're given the option to sign in with Google, which is quick and easy, or you can manually enter your email address. Either way, you'll be able to access your boards in no time. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board where you want to start organizing your items. You'll see a list of all your boards on the left hand side of the screen. Pick the one where your current items reside, then let's select the items you aim to move. If there's just a handful, you can click the checkboxes next to each item individually. For a more comprehensive move, simply tick the checkbox at the top of the column to select all items at once. This method is exceptionally helpful when dealing with bulk item relocations. After selecting the necessary items, look for the option labelled Move to Board and click on it. This action prompts a list of your available boards. You'll want to click on the specific board you intend to move these items to. Suppose these items need to be further categorized, find the group within the new board to house them. If you see that the new board lacks required columns, don't worry. A pop-up will guide you through matching the content to the correct columns or offer the option to choose a column to match them accordingly. You also have the flexibility to add a new column entirely if your data structure needs it. As you are arranging these items and matching their data fields to columns, pay attention to the alignment to ensure everything transfers correctly. Once confident in your setup, click on Move Items to finalize the transfer. To see the moved items in their new location, head over to the board and verify that they are positioned as expected. This is a good time to check that all information is accurately displayed and organized, providing you with the streamlined workspace you desire. And with that, you have successfully moved